flying once. He flew away. And he got lost. And he was scared. Then we found him. And now we're finding him. Alright? That's pretty much the story of Forrest. My husband says, you gotta write a book. We have stories to tell about these birds, so I'm working hard. I'm doing my homework, kids. I'm trying to write it all out so that you can read the story about Forrest being flew away. But we will never give up, right? We never give up on our pets like we never give up on our kids. Today we're going to play a game called the Shell Game. And so we're so happy that we rescued Forrest and found him. He's back in the show. Today we're going to play a game called the Shell Game. It's fun and easy to play. And the best thing about this game is you have to learn to focus your attention on one cup. And if you can focus on one cup, you can focus on anything, right? Anything that you're learning, all you have to do is focus on that one thing, all right? So what I'm going to do is mix these cups up. And then you have to do your honest. Hey, don't tell him to do that. You didn't tell him to do that? Oh, always one. All right, are you ready to play? So this is a game to teach you focus and concentration. If you are at school or your parents are showing you something at home, you're focusing on that one thing, and you'll learn it super fast. Ready to play? Say no. I'm going really fast. I don't know if you know where it's at, but let's take a look. How many of you think it's right there? Just raise up your hands. Great. Look at all those people. Okay, how about the middle couple thinks it's that one? The same people raising their hands. Silly kids. All right, how about there? You don't know where it is. It's right there! Did you get it right? Well, you're pretty young. You must be in second grade, huh? Hey, stop that. Hey, stop that. Stop laughing. It's not that funny. I guess my question is, can you be silly and focus your attention at the same time? Let's find out, all right? Ready? Say go. All right, say stop. Don't say anything. Let's keep the answer to ourselves. Let's see if Forrest knows. All right, you got it too. All right, come up to your treat after the show. Are you hungry? It's fun to give him a little snack from your Forrest good behavior. It's just something you can do when working with animals. You can't do as parents, right? Or do you? Do we reward ourselves with a little treat for being good? Well, certainly, right? It's kind of what life is all about. The birds enjoy the attention they get, and certainly they would perform without the snack, but it's fun to give them extra treats. Here's a little roller skating for you. All right. Ready, guys? He's going to skate for you. Get set. Can you say go? And there he goes. Look at that blazing speed, everybody! Forrest, you are amazing. Let's give a hand for Forrest. So Forrest and Marty, the white one, they grew up together. So that's why they're such good friends. We've had them both for 24 years. Some of our birds are pretty famous, and they've even been played in books. Do you read the National Geographic Kids magazine? Do you look through the Guinness Book of World Records? Okay, we have a bird who used to retire named Zach, and he's in both of those. And he continues to be in publications, even though he does not perform in our show publicly. So he keeps busy behind the scenes, right? They can live for 50 to 80 years. So there's a big responsibility involved in keeping the birds.